exploring algorithmic dramaturgy, a digital performance studies perspective.
Welcome to the Universal Principles podcast. Today we're diving into algorithmic dramaturgy. It sounds futuristic, but what exactly is it?
Thanks for having me. Algorithmic dramaturgy, at its core, is using algorithms to shape stories and performances. Think of code as a playwright, dynamically altering the narrative based on real-time data or preset rules. It's particularly relevant in digital performance studies, where we explore theater, dance, and art within virtual and augmented reality.
So it's like a choose-your-own-adventure, but written by a computer. Could you give us a higher-level view of why this matters beyond just cool tech?
Exactly. It highlights how complex systems can emerge from simple rules. Even basic algorithms, when iterated, can generate unpredictable and fascinating outputs. This applies far beyond theater. It's key to understanding economics, ecology, and even machine learning. It shows how defined rules can create unexpected results through variable interactions, almost like magic.
That's mind-blowing. Can you give us some concrete examples of algorithmic dramaturgy in action?
Sure, imagine a play where the dialogue changes based on the audience's emotional responses, analyzed in real time through facial recognition. The actors' lines shift depending on whether the crowd is laughing or looking bored.
Wow, that would keep the actors on their toes.
Definitely. Another example is generative art in performance. Imagine a dancer on stage whose movements control real-time visuals projected around them. Custom software translates their gestures into evolving patterns and colors, creating a truly unique and interactive spectacle. The possibilities are endless.
Okay, those examples are incredible. It seems like you could use algorithmic dramaturgy in so many different types of fields. Are there similar principles at work elsewhere?
Absolutely. Think about algorithmic composition in computational musicology. It works on the same principle a circumflex euros, using algorithms to generate or manipulate musical elements. Instead of plot and dialogue, it's notes and rhythms, but the core idea of emergent behavior from defined rules remains the same. It is also exciting to see how the fields influence each other.
So if someone wanted to experiment with algorithmic dramaturgy, where should they start? Any practical tips?
First, start small. Use readily available tools like visual programming languages to get a handle on how data can influence outputs. Second, focus on the audience experience. Don't just make it technically impressive, make it meaningful. Finally, embrace the unexpected. Algorithmic dramaturgy is about letting the algorithm surprise you and the audience, so be open to deviations from your initial plan. It's all about iteration.
That's great advice. Algorithmic dramaturgy sounds like a powerful tool for creating truly unique experiences. Thanks for shedding light on this fascinating principle.
My pleasure. It's an exciting field, and I'm glad to share it.
And that wraps up another episode of Universal Principles. Join us next time as we explore another fascinating principle shaping our world. Until then, keep exploring.